I'm back because I forgot something. Turn this on. My man Vance finished up the flywheel. There she blows. Very hard to see there. Bring it into the light. It's starting to rain pretty hard again. See my welder? Looks pretty good. Did a decent job. It was very rusted out, so happy with what's here. Good. I'll put that in as soon as I get me a new rear oil seal. I jacked this one up pretty good, but I think I'll be getting it in a little easier next time. I don't know if you can see that, but that lip is pretty chewed up. Alright, anyway, until next time, au revoir.